like multiple job portals. So that's how it's many to many.
Okay. What about others? So who is going to share the screen today?
How do we?
Okay, Jerry, let me make you a host.
Benjamin as well. Not better myself.
Jerry, please share your screen.
Oh, okay. All right. Is it visible?
Yes.
Yeah, it's visible. So we were talking about there are multiple websites, multiple job portals, right, where the positions are being posted. And we also discussed that one position can be posted on multiple job portals or multiple employment websites. And similarly, multiple positions can be posted on a single employment website as well, right? So different companies do share their positions with employment websites. So that's the reason we are having many-to-many relationship with the job portals. Okay, so first of all, let's create employment website object so that we capture the information about the website in which our positions will be shared. So let's create a new object named employment website. So give it a plural name. Yeah. You can provide the description, the information about particular employment website, where positions are posted, or anything, any description which you want. Scroll up, please. Scroll up. Little more. Okay, fine. So yeah, we'll keep it as text. Yeah, please save. And you can create the tab. Now, after creating tab, let's go back to employment website object. And create some fields. Go to fields and relationship. So there will be one field for the web address, right? Which employment website you want to refer to, right? Like the monster. So monster might have its own URL, its own web address, which we need in our object to know where exactly it's going to be. So let's create one URL type of field, URL field, and give it a web address. You can provide some description over there that the address, web address of the company or whatever, or employment port or job portal, employment website. You can also make it required as well so that the people won't forget. And there is no need to put default value because if you put default value, then all the employment website will have the same value, and we don't want that. Yeah. Yes. Next, save a new.
What about the text?
Sorry, could you please come up again?
Help text.
Where, yeah, you can put any help desk text, like provide the information about the URL of the employment website. Next, save a new. And next will be they charge you something, right? They charge employer because it's a paid service for them, right? They are seeking employees and they pay for it. So for that, uh, every job portal or every employment website has different rate cards, right? So we need to also keep this like in our system, that because there are hundreds of job portals, and to keep this all information in the memory is not possible, as well as there are multiple users in the systems, and they would not know until it is being captured. So let's create one currency field to capture the information price per post. So yeah, give it a name, price per post, price per post. So in length, you can put 5, and in decimal places, you can put 2 because it's a money. So that's, yeah. You can also make it required, and you can also provide some help desk or description over there. Next, um, there are certain things like certain contracts, like how much they can spend on a particular website, so that there is no favor with any website, right? So for that, they provide the maximum budget, right? So please create a new field of type currency, because maximum budget is nothing but money involved over there. So create currency type field, and give it a name, maximum budget. Again, give it a some name or value, decimal places 2, and length should be 5, 6, whatever. You can provide the description over there, make it required as well. Yeah, that's it. Now, this is the employment website. We have position, but we have not created any relationship between position and employment website yet. So this is going to be many-to-many relationship, right? So how we can achieve many-to-many relationship in Salesforce? Guys, how we can achieve?
Using junction object.
Correct. So we will create a junction object, right? We will create a new object. So please create a new object and give it a name, job posting. Give the career name, job postings. And give it auto number instead of text. Give it auto number. Give it a name. It's job posting, so you can make it JP. Copy the from example JAA 000 is written. Copy everything and then remove A with JP. Yeah. Starting number you can give 0, 1, 2, 3, whatever. There's no need to create a tab over here. Without tab, you can have this because this is just an object which is going to help us in having many-to-many relationship between employment website and position. Okay. So creating tab is not required for job posting object. Okay, now let's see how we can achieve many-to-many relationship. So what next needs to be done? We need to create relationship fields with position and employment website, right? So let's go to fields and relationship, create new master detail relationship. Create master detail relationship, and this will be one will be with position. Create first field with position. Do one thing, click on position again. Click on this position, yeah. Yeah, so here, related list label. that needs to be changed. Click on edit. So change it. Not here. No, no, no. Go down. Yeah, next. Next. Yeah, here, remove job posting and put it employment websites. Because job posting should not be shown directly. We will directly show employment website over here. Yeah. And now create again one more field. Again, it's master detail relationship. This time, you need to select employment website. Again, related list label. Now post positions. Now go to your position object. Now go to page layout.
You say what?
Go to page layout. Yeah, click on that. Yeah, there is related list section. Yeah. So here you can see where is it? It is your job application, right? What is showing job application? Because it's there. And then below that, employment website is there, right? Yeah. Click on wrench icon. No, not for there. Yeah, even here you can bring some of the information. Yeah. So you can put employment website name, right? Web address, job number. Employment website name. Are you able to see? Yeah.
Does it?
Web address, web address. You have to address your port, right? So employment, where is employment website name? Web, employment website name. Yeah. Remove honor name. That's the honor name. Remove that. We want employment website name. Yeah. Correct. And you're going to do the similar stuff in job application. Here, you can bring which field? Scroll up. Yeah, average rating and some other fields which you want, you can bring. Yeah, save it. Now go to employment website and again go to its page layout. Now again, related list. Yeah. Positions, click on wrench icon, add few more field, position name. What is position name? Here you can add few more fields. Yeah. Now you can save it. Now you can go to the record, go to app launcher, and create new records on employment website. Yeah. And that the last field is maximum budget asset. So change it to maximum budget. It's not maximum project. It's maximum budget. Yeah, great. So guys, are you able to create all the fields and the records? Or is there
Yeah.
anyone facing an issue, any challenge? So now you can see how your application looks. We have now position object, right? We have job posting object. We have employment website object, right? We have it, right? We have job application object. We have review object, right? We have candidate object as well, right?
Right, sir.
Yeah, all of it.
Yeah. So your position object is related to candidate object by job application object, right? Job application object is helping us to have many-to-many relationship with position object and candidate. Sorry. And job posting object is helping us to have many-to-many relationship between position object and employment website object, right? Right or not? Guys, are you there?
Right.
Am I audible?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah. And we have review object, which is child of job application object, where we can review, we can provide the review like rating, assessment, feedback, right? And we have hiring manager, which is nothing but the user object on position, right? Right or not?
Right. Right, sir.
So we are now almost done with our objects. Okay, all the objects for this application is created. Okay.
Okay.
Now we will see how to deal with the data, like how to export the data from Salesforce using Apex data loader, how to insert any record in Salesforce, how to update any record in Salesforce using Apex loader. So you need to download data loader, Apex data loader, and install in your machine so that tomorrow we can perform the same operation. Okay? Guys, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So you guys have to download Apex data loader and install in your machine and try to run it once so that if there is any error, you can rectify it before our class. Okay? And now go to setup. In quick find, type data loader. Yeah, click on data loader. Yeah, download. Yeah, confirm. And you can download it. Okay? So once it is downloaded, please install it in your system. Now, again, go back to your Salesforce org and go to setup. Now, in quick find, type schema builder. Schema. S-C-H. Yep. Click on schema builder. Now there are all objects which you need to uncheck all, clear all. Now select our objects, which are nothing but position, job application, position, yeah, job posting. Click on job posting. Yeah. Job application, employment website, candidate, review, user, because hiring manager is a user. So we have covered all, like position, job application, candidate, review, job posting, employment website, and user, right? So zoom out and see how it looks. Yeah, put it in a proper way. Scroll down. Yeah. For time being, you can remove user object. Uncheck user object. Yeah. Now you can see how one object is related to other. And whether there is one-to-many relationship, or how this junction object is being created. These all things you can see, right? You can see job application, it is having one-to-many relationship with position, and it is having one-to-many relationship with candidate as well, right? And its child is review, that will come below job application. It is child of review. Once you put it properly, once you position it properly, you will be able to see it. Others, are you able to see this schema builder and all the objects relationship?
Yes, yes, sure.
What about others? So now from here, you can see the relationship among all the objects, right? Similarly, you can also see the relationship among other objects, just need to select them as well. But as of now, in our application, we are utilizing these objects only, right? And you can see how they are having a relationship with each other. So guys, any doubt, any queries so far? If you want, you can also create new fields over here as well. Okay. But we have already created all the fields, so there is no need to create any field, but you can try it out. And this is the visual representation of the relationship among objects. Okay. So guys, any doubt, any queries so far? Guys, any doubt, any query so far?
No questions from my end.
No questions for now.
Great. So you guys can look into it. Okay. You guys can download data loader and install it. And then we'll perform some database operation in next classes. And after that, we will start looking into how we can make our app secure. Okay, how someone can access any record in Salesforce. What are the types of accesses or restrictions we can impose on any user, like how the security works in Salesforce. Okay, so how we can secure and share the data in Salesforce, that we'll see later, like how object level sharing can work, how field level sharing can work, how record level sharing can work. That all things we'll see in next classes. So next class is for data loader especially. We'll perform all the operations for data load, and then we will see the security aspects of Salesforce. Okay. So guys, so far, any doubt, any query? Great. So you were able to install it as well. Okay, guys, please do the assignments. That means just download the data loader and fix everything. If you face any difficulty, like that might be due to JRE or something, in that case, you need to install Java runtime environment in your machine. So just look into that and work on it. Okay. So guys, thank you so much for your time. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.
Thank you. Take care. Bye.
Yeah, thank you. Bye.